Hey guys, today for your response to reading, you are going to get to have some fun and draw a picture. So you're going to need to get a blank piece of white paper. And we read the story Energy Island. So this talks a lot about renewable and non-renewable resources, and ways to save energy and make energy. So now you're going to pick a drawing that you want to do that illustrates one way that the people of Samso are also using renewable energy. So here's a picture that we drew over here, and then you're going to write a caption that tells about your picture. And remember, a caption is just usually 1 to 2 sentences that tells what's going on in your picture. Okay, so this one was about wind turbines. And how they make electricity. So you can see that there's a windmill right here, a wind turbine, and then it's producing electricity, which gave to the light, which is the lamp, and then the TV. So there's a good picture that shows that. So make sure your pictures are really detailed, and then make sure you use complete sentences to go with your picture. All right. Okay, guys, I can't wait to see your drawings. I hope you have fun.